Hi, this is Maidenhair Fern and I'm going to paint it. Let's take a quick look at the structure of this fern. These have D-shaped or fan-like leaves with some cuts in them and the leaves taper towards the top. Here I am roughly making a pencil drawing. A detailed drawing is not really required. Use a thin brush and paint the stem. Now I am almost marking the spaces where the tiny leaves would come. Keep in mind that this too will narrow as we go to the top. Now let's paint the leaves. This is the easiest part and it is so much fun. Create a D shape with your brush and fill it in, and it's as simple as that. I was able to draw over the line because the paint is still wet. Use green and yellow for the leaves, and just for the edge use a darker pigment, maybe a brown that you've used for the stem. Keep in mind this is not a realistic painting but a quick representation of the fern. I went for a stroll in the city and I came across a wall full of lush green fern. These grow on roadside walls, logs, rocks, almost everywhere in the monsoon. This one is called as a maidenhair fern. I took some pictures and I really wanted to paint this. There's so many cool things that you can find on your everyday walk. It's nice to use them as inspirational ideas and try something with it. After 3-4 leaves, I am going to make smaller D shapes as I go to the top. And that's all, folks. If you enjoyed the tutorial, do subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon.